And we're live. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome! Welcome to Coaching for the Soul. This is our Coaching Thursday here at Decaf Coffee Republic. So welcome to the home of professional certified life coaches here in the Philippines and prayerfully and hopefully going global very soon. So if you are one person and you are within the territory, Decaf Coffee Republic is located inside Pioneer Center Compound along Pioneer Road, corner Brixtons and United Streets, Capitolio, Pasig City. We are operating from 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. So we're still up all night until 3 a.m. So if you're within the territory, if you're within the area, I invite you to join us right now, live here on floor for part 2 of our 8-part series of micro-coaching on, how many of you are so excited? We are going to continue on the wealth accelerators versus wealth drains. Okay, so this is already part 2, and if we're crossing borders for the first time, I am Master Coach A. I'm a coaching entrepreneur, and since 2016, I have devoted myself building this house. This is the house that you're seeing. This is actually our second location. In case you are part of our first season, we moved to Pioneer Center Compound here inside PC last 2020. Tama na, 2020. So, we have celebrated our 5th year here and a total of 8 years in operations. Now, Decaf Coffee Republic is actually a product of relationships I had in the church. So, I am one person who had great dreams, a lot of aspirations, a lot of things I want to do, okay? Hashtag polymath. Sino dito mga polymath? Okay, marami kang gustong gawin sa buhay, okay? Come on. Hashtag kung ikaw ay polymath, sasabihin mo lang dyan sa chat box, hashtag polymath here. Okay, so ikaw yung, ang dami mong gustong gawin sa buhay, ang dami mong pinapangarap. Okay, sino dito? Tapos sabi nila, ikaw ay jack of all trades, master of nothing, at wala kang mararating. Taas ang kamay. Yes? Guys, okay. And so, hindi ba? So, iisipin mo, meron ka bang mararating? Now, I am one person who have a lot of things in my hands, a lot of things in my head, a lot of things in my heart, and a lot of things in my dreams. Now, Decaf Coffee Republic is a product, one endeavor that able to come true, okay, into fruition and reality because of relationships. And tonight, we're going to be talking about relationship economics, okay? And I have to give honor to whom honor is due, and Decaf Coffee Republic would not be Decaf Coffee Republic if not with the relationships I had back then, okay, in 2012, 13, 2014, 2015, and we were building Decaf Coffee Republic. I was positioned in a space where there are people who's dreaming of having a space like this. I was in a position, I was in a space, I was in an ecosystem that needs a safe space. Okay? So, if you are one person and you feel that the dreams that you have, the things that you want to do, or even the craft, sino dito may alam kang craft? Kasi ikaw lang nakaka-appreciate. Okay? Wala nakaka-appreciate, no? So, the things that you want to tinker, okay, the thoughts that you have, the conversations that you want to go through, at kung walang nakikinig, at parang wala kang kausap, you know what? It probably is wala ka sa tamang space. Okay? Sino dito maabubot ka? Marami kang kuning-kuning, kuting-kuting, at hindi mo matapon, at lahat ng kalat, iniipon mo. And mga tao ni-stress, kasi sabi nila, ang dami-dami mong kalat, hindi nalilinis. Okay? Now, if you are in a space of minimalist people, naturally, ikaw ay makalat. But how many of you would know, if you are part of junk journaling community, you are welcome. Tama? Okay. So, lahat ng kalat, welcome sa junk journaling. Okay? So, meron pong junk journaling community and Facebook, and you can check it out, okay? At makikita po ninyo, lahat po ng kalat ay welcome. So what I'm saying here, every connection in your life today carries a measurable, okay? Measurable financial impact, okay? So lahat po ng relationship na meron kayo ngayon carries a measurable, significant impact in your finances. Okay, naisip nyo ba yon? Okay, your network, okay, by the way, your network is not only the people you know. Your network is actually the entire ecosystem where you are positioned. Now, maybe you don't know, okay, maybe you don't know, but your ecosystem either diminishes your finances or multiplies your finances. Or maybe I would say multiply your prosperity, multiply your opportunity, multiply your capacity. Now, think about it. Last week, okay, we talked about the concentric centers. Sino ito natandaan mo yun? Proximity. Okay, sino yung unang-una? Sana hindi nyo kinalimutan. Physical. And when you talk about physical, that talks about where you stay, where you live, where you work, where you study, okay? Where you do your community, where you do your service, and all of that. Second is relationship. And the third? Information flow, what you allow to come in. Now, if you notice, that alone sets the boundaries. Tama po ba? Now, apart from that, okay, there are intentional and unintentional relationship that we continue to deal and build every single day. Sino dito, okay, sino dito, let me know if you are that person, you are able to count valuable relationships and toxic relationship in your life. At tumahimik po tayo. We are live actually. Okay? So, if you are joining me for the first time, okay, this is an 8-part series, and what we wanted you to know and understand in this micro-coaching program, okay, this is actually a micro-coaching series, okay, in case you don't know, I am from Life Coach Philippines. We are professional certified life coaches from Life Coach Philippines. What we do in Life Coach Philippines is we train, we coach, and we help people build their tribe. And the reason why we have already inputted in Life Coach Philippines the tribe building is because many of you probably at this moment in time, your wealth, your prosperity is being hindered by the very network of people you have. Okay? So how many of you here, you are not positioned, okay, kayo ba yun? Hashtag me. You are not positioned in a space where things and blessings and prosperity naturally flow. Para bang ang hirap ng lugar mo? Para bang yung lugar mo puro problema lang? Sino dito nakaka-connect ka dyan? Okay? So I want you to just like pause for a moment. If you're joining me live right now, if you're joining me online, magandang gabi po. We are right now, okay, closing. Okay, mamaya ng konti po, Friday na po tayo. Ano na tayo, weekend na po tayo. But at this moment in time, okay, we are conditioning. Okay, we are conditioning to start. Okay, start lang po natin. Okay? Tingnan lang natin ang pag-compute ng value ng mga relationship sa buhay natin. Now, let me put a reminder, okay? We are working on understanding the value of your relationship not because we want the relationship to be transactional. Quite the opposite. I want you to see that relationships are intentional. Okay? And there's more than the transactions. There's more to conversation. Sino dito, napaka-importante ng relasyon, pero dahil umiit ang ulo mo, hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, may hindi kayo napagkasunduan, nawala na yung relationship. Meron ba kayong ganong experience? O kaya sobrang importante ng tao, sobrang okay yung tao, pero nagkataon at that moment in time, okay, at that moment in time, that person, okay, hindi lang maganda yung season niya. Nagkataon lang na yung season niya ay hindi okay. And therefore, hindi kayo swak. And therefore, you miss it. Meron ba kayong ganong relationship? Meron ba kayong ganong relationship? How many of you realize that? Okay? So how many of you are very intentional when choosing your connections? Do you connect with people who cares about what you care? Okay? Do you invest in the future of people that you know that the lifespan, okay, the lifespan and the life value will almost be coterminous with your lifespan and your life value? How many of you would agree with me that oftentimes, we compromise and we sacrifice relationship that is for long term because we are in pursuit, okay, of taming the people that is for short term? Medyo maganda lang ngiti natin dito. Sino dito naintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko? Diba? Yung mga long-term relationship na ko-compromise natin dahil, okay, tinatry nating ayusin yung mga relationship na alam naman nating hindi siya pang matagalan. Sino dito nauubos ang energy mo day in, day out? Okay? I-compute mo lang ngayon bago kita bigyan ng calculator. By the way, okay, if you are excited, okay, ang promise ko po sa inyo, every conversation, you will receive a toolkit. Okay? So ngayon, maganda yung toolkit natin. 0939-919-2235 if you want to receive the toolkit. Kung kayo po ay nanonood online, kung kayo po ay nandito sa floor, maya-maya lang ibibigay sa inyo ni Ishi yung inyong toolkit. So maganda po yung toolkit. You would have 7 days network upgrade protocol. Yan. So, hindi po ba? Okay, so magbe-break tayo next week kasi Holy Week. Then you will have exact, more than a week. So, 14 days bago tayo magkita. Pero, so babasahin nyo pa yung toolkit, sasagutan nyo pa. Sa dulo ng toolkit, 7 days upgrade protocol. Sakto. Sakto. Dito excited ka. Okay? So, simulan na natin to. Okay, please tag a friend. If you're joining me live right now, please let me know in the chat box what is one thing you learned from the toolkit. Okay, what is one thing you learned about space, about proximity, about being intentional with relationship, about space, being intentional about your inflow of information. So let me know in the chat box one thing that you have learned, yung ngayon fresh na fresh at excited ka na makinig dahil dudugtungan mo yung kaalaman mo na yon. Okay? So, I want you to just like picture yourself right now. Okay? Bilang lang kayo 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Bilang kayo. Tapos bawat isa, yung 1, say a name. Try nyo nga. 1, say a name. So, it means, I want you to recall 10 people. Quickly lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you do that? Come on. If you're joining me live also, if you're right now at your home, okay, bago kayo matulog, maganda pong pampatulog ito. Kakalma po kayo. Yan, no? Pare-realize po ninyo na may mga relasyon kayo na sobrang ibinigay ng Diyos sa inyo. So, join us live and stretch natin ng konti on a Thursday ang ating tulog. Okay, so this is not, by the way, if you are not yet back in our community nights, every single night, meron pong nagaganap dito sa Decaf Coffee Republic. Okay, so on a Tuesday, so balikan ko po, so bakit Tuesday? Kasi on a Wednesday, we're on break. So the last day of the week is a Tuesday for us, kasi midweek break po kami ng Wednesday. Pag Tuesday, meron po ditong Nurturing Tuesday. And that is our time for mental health Library Forum. It means if you are one person and you are concerned about mental health, you want to know more about mental health, you want holistic health, you want to understand what's happening to you mentally, okay, emotionally, even spiritually, and it seems na walang conversation na nangyayari, please punta lang po kayo dito kapag Tuesday night at 8 p.m. We will have that forum. We will have a conversations about that. So we take a break on a Wednesday. On a Thursday, we come back with Coaching Thursday, and that is Coaching for the Soul. Why Coaching for the Soul? Because I personally believe that if all coaching works and coaching our soul fails, then nothing works. Okay? Because Coaching for the Soul is intended for our cognitive, intended for our understanding of life, and intended for us understanding the things that are so valuable for us that we always almost sidetrack. Okay? And one of the things that we almost always put on the sidetrack, relationships. Relationship din po sa self yun eh. Tama po ba? Okay, so, first thing that I will talk about tonight is relationship categorization. categories of relationship. At meron sa inyo dito mga excited na sa GC kanina, di ba? Excited kayong matutunan yung 5 relationships. Okay na? Okay? 5 relationship that will determine or determines your financial trajectory. Sino dito excited ka for that? Sino dito gusto mong maintindihan? Ano ba yung 5 relationship categories na yan? Ibig sabihin, yung pong binilan nyo kanina, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people, they will be categorized in 5. Okay? So, kaya ko po pinaremember sa inyo itong 5 taong to para makita po ninyo, ito po bang 5 categories na to, meron bang present lahat? Yan. So, perfectly present po ba itong mga taong ito, itong category sa buhay ninyo? Ready na po ba kayo? Put ready in the chat box. Okay, let me know if you are, okay, in tune right now and you want to understand categories. So, I hope you have in mind 10 people right now. Meron ba? Okay, according to neuroscience, our brain is trained to delete and forget. And oftentimes, you can only remember around 7 people. So, if you're able to remember 10 people, okay, close to you, okay, hindi lang yung mga katabi natin ngayon dito, then you're good. Good to go. Okay, meron na bang 10? Yep. Ready? Okay. First category of people in our space. Okay, these are the people we call accelerators. Accelerators. Accelerators actively, okay, put in the chat box actively. Accelerators actively, okay, actively create opportunities, okay, they do 2 things in your life. They create opportunities for you, okay, and number 2, they multiply your results. Wow. Okay? So, do you have people in your life, okay, that open up, create opportunities for you, and not only that, for times that you already have results, these people multiplies the result. They are the people who do 10x, 100x of whatever you have produced. Do you have people like that? Meron po ba? Ano? Ang hashtag doon, sabi ng hashtag doon ay keep. O, for keep na yan. For life. For life na yan. Okay? So, meron po ba kayo dun sa 10 na niisip niyo kanina, ilan doon ang accelerators niyo? You know, the power of accelerators is being in the space. So, imagine niyo yung relationship, yung proximity. Imagine nyo if you are positioned strategically in a space where there are a lot of accelerators, what do you think will happen to your life? Gagalaw ka din. Ang dami, no? Because naturally, they open opportunities, okay? And if they see results from you, okay, they will not feel bad that you're having results, but what they will do? Multiply the results. So if you are in a space where people are naturally accelerators, you're naturally get the blessing, and you naturally move in the trajectory of increase. Did you get that? Okay, so ilan sa 10 people ang accelerators sa buhay mo? Ilan? So by the way, if you join DCAP, okay, so if you visit DCAP, in case you don't know, we give you a note, okay? So probably next week, okay, so we're doing it right now, that we will be giving you notes, okay, yung mga notes, or alam nyo yung notes ko ngayon, basahin ko lang. Actually, if you're getting a note at yung notes nyo ay may question mark sa dulo, ang ibig kong sabihin nun, pinapag-isip ko po kayo. Like ito, ang tanong dito, memory you constantly revisit and why? Ay, kanina lang, ginawa ko to. Diba? Kita ko yung mga anak ko mga 10 years ago, yung mga pinagagagawa nila, hindi pa nila ako pinapag-drive. O, tingnan niyo yung timeline ko. So, why did I mention that? Because we are now doing a set, okay, around 35, 60. I think I was able to have 60 quotable quotes, okay, na ilalagay natin dito. So, itatago nyo all about wealth accelerators and wealth drains. Yan. So, pag pumunta po kayo dito, in case you're not following through all the lives, so, kuha po kayo, tingnan po niyo yung notes, dahil yung notes na yon ay connected. Okay, actually, yung mga notes po na ngayon na nababasa nyo, prelude po ito. Okay? But the next set would be really taken from the training. Yan. yan. Okay? So, para po alam ninyo, worth itago tong mga notes na to. Okay? So, tuloy po tayo. Okay, how many of you here? Okay, are you ready for category number 2? Okay, sino dito ngumiti ka nung sinabi ko yung category 1 kasi naisip mo marami ka nun? Sino naman dito medyo cry ang emoji mo dahil parang konti lang. Konti lang. So, picturein nyo to ha. So, meron kasi sa concentric mo, ano yung una? Space. Sumunod, relationship. Sumunod, pinag-aaralan mo. Tama? So, imaginein mo, ilan doon ang ilang percentage? Percentage mo na lang. Percentage of accelerators. Tama? Yung mga pinag-aaralan mo, doon ako sa pinakamalayo, sa pinakamalabas, yung mga pinapasok mo, mga accelerator ba yan? O pag ang pinapanood mo ay lahat ng drama sa buhay, lahat ng kasamaan sa mundo, lahat, accelerators ba yan? Akala ko po ba tao tong relationship? By the way, where do you get relationship? In the space. Where do you get relationship? In what you allow in your life. Where do you get relationship? In your engagement. You naturally attract them. Relationship, categories number 2. Ito, sobrang ganda nito. Okay? Sa pag-aaral po namin, ako, many of my master classes, okay, we are trained to look for this second category. Alam niyo po ba kung ano to? Category number 2 is connectors. Connectors. You know what? If you go to networking events, if you go to, alam niyo, parties, you know, the most important person in those engagement and gatherings are the connectors. Those people who introduce one to another, one to many, many to one, you know what? Those are the connectors. So, these are, I'm not talking about people who love partying because there's a lot of people who love to party but they don't connect. I'm specifically sharing with you people who are naturally, okay, bridging, you know, they are okay to bridge you to networks. Okay? And they're okay to bridge you to opportunity circles. Nagets nyo? So, ito yon. Ikaw naman, kung naturally connector ka, you are, trust me, in an event, in gathering, in engagement, you are the most important person. Okay? Yung ikaw yung nag-connect kay A at kay B to C, D, E, you are the most important person. Yeah. Very important yung role mo na yan. Because nag-form ng new relationship, nagkaroon ng emergent because of what you are able to do. So it's a highly specialized gift actually, and this is actually the people, the kind of people that always invited to high-end, okay, parties and engagement because they make things possible. Okay? So, in a count of 1 to 10, yung binilang yung pong relationships kanina, ilan po doon ang connectors? Magpapalit ng list. O baka naman po ang listahan ninyo, ayaw na ayaw mag-connect dahil natatakot mawalan ng role. Natatakot masapawan. Natatakot, uy, pag nag-connect sila, di sila nalang nag-uusap, hindi na ako kasali. Uy, pag nag-connect sila, wala na ako, hindi na ako importante. Sino dito nakaka-connect kayo sa sinasabi ko, #connect? So may connectors ba kayo sa buhay nyo? Because you know what? What connectors would do? Kung may project ka, kung may advocacy ka, kung may bago kang produkto, kung may bago kang business, connectors will know where to obviously connect you. How many of you have connectors in your life? Okay? So imagine nyo dun sa 10. Maganda sana kung yung 10, yung list of 10 nyo, 5 dun connectors, tapos 5 dun. Oo. Ay, grabe na yan. Kaya pala gusto mo na magpalit, Master? Para bumilis. Para bumilis. Okay. Okay? Ay. Number 3. Ready na ba kayo sa category number 3? Ito medyo para kumalma lang tayo. Category number 3, neutrals. Neither significantly advance nor drain your prosperity. Wala lang. Gitna lang. Neither, wala silang ginagawa sa buhay mo. They don't drain you. Di sila nagpapasaway sa'yo. Di sila nagko-consume ng energy, ng time, ng resources mo. Pero, wala din naman silang ginagawa para mag-advance yung buhay mo, para mag-advance ng finances mo, para mag-advance ka sa career mo, para sa business mo. Medyo mahirap din kung puro neutral ang tao sa buhay mo. Alright. Category number 4, ready? Okay, so, kung category 1 is accelerators, okay, category number 4 is yung kabaliktad. Ito na po ang tinatawag nating #drainers. Okay, drainers, consistently consume resources without proportional return. Kaya po sila drainers. Okay lang naman po na nagka-consume yung mga tao ng energy natin, ng resources natin, ng time natin, ng gift natin, ng skills natin, if there is a proportionate or greater returns for it. Ibig pong sabihin nun, merong healthy exchange. However, yung mga drainers po, wala talagang healthy exchange. Talo ka. Okay? Anong talo mo doon? So, mga 80% yung energy mo, tapos ang balik sa'yo, mga 10. Ano, coach? Mga ilan? Ilan, Jean? Mga ganon. Naku, alam na natin. Mga ganon. Okay? So, and tapusin ko na po, category number 5, okay? Category number 5, what we call saboteurs. Yung mga nananabutahi po sa'yo. Actually, they limit, okay? These are the people who actively, okay, ito po yan. These are the people who actively limit your growth or always redirect your opportunities. Ito yung mga tao in disguise na ayaw kang masaktan, ayaw kang mahirapan, nag-aalala lang sa'yo, okay, they've been there, done that, okay, overly protective to you, o meron din namang iba na ang trabaho lang talaga nila is isabotage ang growth, ang opportunities mo at ang success mo. Okay, so count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sa 10 tao po, ano po ang mga category sa mga taong ito? Ilan po ang nasa category 1, accelerators, category 2, network, okay? Networkers po ninyo, connectors po ninyo, category number 3, neutrals, category number 4, the drainers, and of course, category number 5, sana po wala kayong masyadong ganito, saboteurs. Diba? So, how many of you understands now, okay, that sino yung mag-yes ka dito? Okay, sabi kasi ng research, most of the networks, okay, that we have, okay, the networks that we're in, evolve accidentally rather by strategic design. Nangyari daw pag-accident, meaning we are living our prosperity by chance. Isipin nyo lang. Oo, diba? Yung medyo natsambahan lang. Tsamba lang. Tsamba, okay? So, you realize that, okay? Sabi nung iba, kaya ka naman pumupunta dyan kasi mayayaman. Kaya ka naman sumasama dyan kasi matatalino. Sino dito nung bata ka na ganyan ka na? You know, we grow in a culture that if we are, gravitating towards not the majority, even if it's gonna be helpful for us, tinutukso tayo. We hear words. Wala ka naman pakisama. Sino doon nasabihan ka na ng ganon? Wala ka naman pakisama? KJ ka naman? Ba, ang boring mo naman? Okay? So ano yun? Ikaw, ang ayos mo, ang buti mo, kami masama. And what happens naturally? Iiwanan mo yung mabuting mong kaibigan para sa barkada mong alam nyo na yung gusto kong sabihin. How many of you now realize that that one, okay, grow, okay, into a default to us? Hayaan na lang kung sinong maging kaibigan. Okay? Sino din dito, may ugali din po tayo, okay, or meron din po tayo nakasanayan, naku, alam mo, pag maganda, masungit yan. Ay, mayaman, matapobre yan. Ay, naku, hindi tayo papansinin yan. And what do we normally do? We go to people na medyo mas mababa sa atin kasi doon mas okay tayo. How many of you gets this? Make sense? Okay. So, gusto nyo na bang i-compute? Gusto nyo na bang tingnan ang relationship ROI ninyo? Gusto nyo bang maintindihan ang formula? So, now, okay, in your toolkit, you would have the exact formula. May numbers doon. May exact formula, kaya importante ang toolkit. Yan. So, si Master E, papadala sa inyo yung toolkit. Kung nandito kayo ngayon, you will get it. If you are watching live, kailangan nyo siyang i-message, 0939, okay, 9192235. Kailangan yung i-message si Ishi para makuha ninyo ang inyong toolkit. Okay, so, how do we compute, okay, ROI? Okay, how do we get the return of investment? Okay, that is, you know, speak of how do you compute that exact relationship ROI, okay? It is by comparing value creation versus investment. Okay, so pagtitimbangin po ninyo, of course, nasa toolkit, meron po kayong gagamitin na toolkit para malagyan po ng numbers. Pero in one hand, okay, you would have to compute the value creation factors. Yes, Coach Candy? Ulit, Coach. Go.
Kaya pala.
Ay, alam mo na. Bakit nadidrain?
Kaya drain.
Kaya ka nadidrain. Okay? Kasi, value creation, investment factors. Okay? So, what are the values created to you and what are the investments that you are losing? Okay, wala po akong ilalagay na numbers ngayon dito sa conversation, but you can find it in your toolkit. I'm gonna talk about the concept. Okay, number one, okay, value creation factors would be the direct opportunity introduction. Okay, tingnan po ninyo. Ilan tao sa buhay ninyo, okay, that you can count that most of your opportunities, or maybe not most, bilangin nyo po ilang tao sa buhay ninyo ang nabukas ng opportunity sa inyo. Ilan? Nanawalang, Coach? Ano na pong edad natin? Okay? So, dito yung titimbangin po natin yan, no? So, kung isang timbangan po natin is yung value creation, okay? So, value creation, ilan po yung taong direct opportunity introduction. So, ini-introduce nila kayo sa mga opportunities, binubuksan nila yung mga opportunities. Another thing is, they have knowledge and insight contribution sa buhay na gusto mo, sa finances na gusto mo, sa wealth na gusto mo. Another is, they enable you, okay? Like, they enable your support system, okay? It means, okay, they support you so that you can focus on what you want to do. Okay? Hindi ka nila ginugulo. O, yan po yung, dito yan. Okay? Next, they do enhancement. Enhancement of what's working with you and depletion of what's not working. Okay? And, of course, they have also a healthy network. Now, tapatan po natin ng investment. Ano po yung investment? When we talk about investment, we talk about time spent. Direct and indirect. Marami pong tao, okay, sa buhay natin, we probably don't spend time directly, but we spend a lot of time indirectly because they occupy a lot of space in our mind. Yung hindi po kayo makatulog sa gabi, sino pong hindi nagpapatulog sa inyo? Ha? Sino po yung mga taong nagpapaproblema sa inyo? Tama? Ano, Coach Orvin, nag-gets mo? Energy expended. It means energy expended, mental and emotional. Okay? Mental and emotional. Dito din sa investment factor, we look at resources committed. Anong ibig sabihin nun? How much of your money is committed to these people? Now, the formula tells us that relationship, okay, the relationship that we have in our life, okay, needs to expand, okay, needs to expand, and as it expands, it requires also containment. Kasi marami po tayong relasyon na nag-e-expand, hindi naman natin nako-contain. So, pag hindi natin na-contain, sasabog yung relasyon, dumadami yung network, tapos hindi natin alam kung ano nangyayari, sumasabog. So, kumakain sila ng space sa utak natin, pero hindi natin nakukuha yung return. How many of you agrees with me? Energy kasi yun eh. You expand, but you're not able to contain. And this expansion can damage you. Now, how do we position ourselves for growth? How do we position ourselves for prosperity? How do we position ourselves for greater value later on in life? Okay? Or maybe you are in this space right now na feeling mo, okay? Kailangan mo na talagang mag-recalibrate ng network. Sino dito feeling mo kailangan mo talaga yung toolkit? Kailangan mo talaga ng 7-day network upgrade protocol. Sino dito yes ka? Yes? Yes na yes? Kailangan nyo talaga? So, tanggap niyo ninyo na gagawin niyo yung toolkit. Okay? 7 days network upgrade protocol. Okay? Kailangan nyo yan. Okay? So, gusto niyo ba daanan ko lang kung anong gagawin niyo sa 7 days? Para habang ginagawa po ninyo yung first part ng toolkit, okay, pag medyo mahirap na, tutuloy mo pa rin kasi alam mo na sa dulo, you will go through the 7 days, okay, upgrade. Sino dito ready ka for that? Ready. Okay, ready? Okay, day 1. Okay, day 1. Okay, nasa toolkit po lahat ito. Day 1 would be implementing #boundaries with your biggest wealth drain. Okay, pag-balanse. Tama po, #balanse. So, by the way, if you are hearing this for the first time, we're crossing borders. If you have not checked, please do check Life Coach Philippines International page. And I have created a program. We have an existing program, the Balance Framework, that can help all of you. We have 24 domains that we are able, and we have coaches that are really strategically positioned to help you. So, if at any point in time your problem is about boundaries, please do check out. Okay, let us know. There are a lot of coaches here in the house who can help you. So, unang-una po sa day 1, okay, implement boundaries with your biggest wealth drain. Now, wag mong tanong yan, coach, paano yan? Nasa toolkit po yan. Yan. Kaya para ma-excite kang gagawin mo yung toolkit. Now, pag nakuha mo yung toolkit, huwag kang dumiretso dun sa dulo, ha? Daanin mo yung proseso mula sa una hanggang makarating ka dun sa 7 days para ready yung puso mo. Number 2. Day number 2, okay? Day 2, you will deepen, okay, your engagement with your highest value accelerator. So, magbaboundary ka sa mga drainers mo. And now you will deepen your relationship, your engagement with your accelerators. Ganda, di ba? Day 3. Day 3 is repositioning one neutral toward acceleration. Sino dito, may mga tao kayong kalma lang? Wala. Walang inaambag, wala din binabawas. Tama, di ba? So, sa day 3, ang gagawin nyo, iposisyon natin silang maging accelerator. Pakinabang. #may pakinabang na. Sayang kasi. Hindi nyo naman sila pwedeng tanggalin, hindi naman nila kayo inaano. Wala naman kaming ginagawa sa iyo. So, tulungan natin silang maging part ng ating accelerator team. Okay. Number 4 or day 4, eto na. We will initiate 1. Alam nyo, isa lang to ha, hindi to mahirap. 1 lang. 1 strategic connection to fill a network gap. Okay? So may gusto ka bang network na i-create? Okay? Meron ka bang network na gusto mong i-reach out? May network ka ba na gustong makausap? So strategically, okay, mag-initiate ka ng isang connection sa taong ito. That's gonna be on your day 4. Day 5. Okay, day 5, organize your interaction protocols for relationships, okay, for relationship that matters to you. Okay, so day 5 is now optimizing. Optimizing, you have to organize and you will now have to optimize, okay, your interaction protocols for key relationship, for people that matters to you, relationship that you want to keep, that you know have a long-term value to you. Day 6 is now for designing your ideal prosperity circle structure. So imagine mo, di ba, from day 1 to 5, na-identify mo lahat ng tao, now, ready ka nang mag-create ng prosperity circle mo. Ganda, no? Day 7, final, create a relationship maintenance system for ongoing optimization. How many of you realize marami po tayong mga relationship na hindi natin na maintain? Kaya nawawala, inaamag, kinakalawang, nai-snatch, okay? At iba ang nakikinabang pagkatapos ninyong in-nurture. Ouch! Sino dito connecting ka dyan? Diba? Ikaw yung nagtanim, ikaw yung umani, ikaw nagsaing, iba kumain. Kasi hindi mo naalagaan. Yes, Coach Candy? Anong masasabi mo? Okay. So at this moment in time, okay, can you identify, okay, right now, okay, can you identify, as we close, okay, at this moment in time, okay, can you identify your pattern in terms of connecting with emotional vampires? Can you identify your patterns about towards people who are opportunity blockers? And what's your response to financial anchors? Okay? What are your response to prosperity displacement patterns? Like, for example, di ba? May pattern ka ba na pag nakakuha ka ng pera, nawawala yung pera? Maybe it's because of the people around you. Yes, Coach Candy. Ganda nito. Okay. Sino dito ang taas ng proximity tolerance mo? Yung kahit sobrang toxic na tinotolerate mo lang. Parang ganda ng tolerance, no? Pero toxicity kasi yon.
Para okay na lang.
Pero hindi ka okay. 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 So, at this moment in time, I want you to bring to mind that relationship recalibration is biblical. Okay, so we are entering, okay, we're about to enter the season of Lent, okay, and this is a season of thoughtful calibrations, reflections, and thinking of what has been in our lives. And it's highly biblical, and you can find it in the Bible where God wants us to really identify our relationships. Where are we anchored? Where are we planted? Where are we connected? Okay? There's a lot of scriptures that would remind us that, sabi nga, di ba, a good friend, okay, a good friend that you can trust is better than your own blood and skin, okay, that, you know, traitor you. How many of you gets that? Okay? So there are people who are honored, okay, biblically in the Bible because they supported prophets and workers of God. Okay? So in this time of recalibration, outmost reflections, in this season where we are given the opportunity to slow down and pause, this is also the best time for you to see how your relationship with God is being affected with the relationship that you are nurturing and allowing in your space. You see, if you have a lot of accelerators in your life, if you have a lot of connectors in your life, you will be thanking God almost all the time. But if you have a lot of saboteurs, a lot of drainers, what would happen? You normally complain. Normally complain. So you do not understand, okay, like you do not understand that these responses that we probably have to God is created by the very space that we allow to evolve accidentally. How many of you are connecting with that? So, let's recap. If you are one person who wants to build your wealth, taas ang kamay, okay. So, hindi lang po gusto maging milyonaryo, but we want to build our wealth and take care of the wealth so that the wealth we can transition to the next generation, okay? So, if you are that one person, you get to start with the proximity, okay? Where you are, who are the people surrounding you, who are the people allowed to engage with you, who are the people who are allowed, you're allowing to influence you. Very important po yung tao. Kasi yung space, minsan hindi mo nakokoman. Tama? Kasi nandiyan ka ngayon sa bahay mo, yan ngayon ang trabaho mo, it's not overnight na makakapagpalit ka. Tama po ba? Hindi ka pwedeng lumipat agad ng bahay bukas, hindi ka pwedeng magpalit ng opisina bukas, but you can be intentional about the next circle. What's the next circle? Relationship. You can be intentional. That's why our next toolkit talks about 7 days upgrade. 7 days upgrade of your relationship network. Make sense? Make sense? Okay. So, 5 kinds of relationship that I want you to really dive deep in this season. How much? What percentage? How many people in your space you consider as accelerators? How many are connectors? How many are neutrals? Okay? So, imagine if you have a lot of connectors, you have a lot of accelerators, and a lot of neutrals. In 7 days, before tayo makabalik dito, in 14 days, before the next session, the next episode, may nangyari na sa prosperity level mo. Nag-accelerate na yung kayamanan mo. Okay? Now, the next two categories, drainers and saboteurs. Now, I want you to take hold of your heart and tell to yourself, I am accountable. There's nothing you can change in your network if you will not accept that you are responsible and you are accountable. Because these relationships do not happen by accident. You allowed it. You allowed it. And the good thing about you allowed it, you are also in the position to change it. Okay? You just have to hold your heart and tell yourself, I am responsible, I am accountable, and I can change this because I am the one in charge here. So, as I close, I want you to reflect. So first, I want you to download the toolkit. I want you to connect with Master E. I want you to get your toolkit. Okay, by the way, for those of you watching this on a replay, okay, we upload the replay of this video. There's a change in Facebook, and after 30 days, the live episodes normally goes to drain. And so we are uploading a recording of this episode in my YouTube channel, Master Coach A. And in that, once we uploaded the replay, the recording, you can watch the replay and you can also download the toolkit. So if you are watching this on a replay, so don't worry, okay? You can check on the YouTube, my YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that you get notifications when the new videos becomes available. And from there, you can download the toolkit. So let's close this, okay? By saying a little prayer, okay? So by saying a little prayer for yourself, so not for me, okay? Say a little prayer for yourself, okay? A prayer for the 5 categories of relationship that you have, okay? So let me guide you. For those people who are your accelerators, say a little prayer and say, self, okay? I pray, okay? Sabi mo sa sarili mo, I pray that we will value them even more. That we will say more blessings to their way. That we will acknowledge them. Okay? So, say a little prayer. And say, yeah, these are the people we need to pray for. We need to be grateful. We need to send blessings. We need to say hello every single day. Okay? How are you? Okay? And be responsible. Sometimes, the reason that why we're not able to harvest is because we're not also a good steward. Baka po itong mga accelerators ninyo, hindi nyo sila napapansin. So, it's about time. Say a little prayer for your accelerators. Okay? Number 2, say a little more prayer for your connectors. And say a little prayer for yourself that your eyes be wide open for the people who are connectors. Alam niyo po, connectors are not strangers. Don't go to the strangers and expect the strangers to be your connectors. Connectors are the people who knows you. Connectors are the people who values you. Connectors are the people who sees you more than your achievement. They are the one who will connect you to the people who gives you additional knowledge, additional capital, additional information, additional everything. That's what the connectors will do for your life. So say a little prayer, Lord, okay, bring. Okay? So kami dito sa DCAP, nagdadasal po kami, Lord, magpadala ka ng maraming taong ganyan that will connect us to our market, that will connect us to the people we're looking for. And the best people, you know, the reason why we're still here for 8 years is because most of our coaches, okay, so coaches, thank you so much for being great connectors. Okay? Kaya po may tao dito, di ba? Kaya may tao dito, may nag-connect sa iyo, ma'am. Diba? So, by connector. Okay? So, we honor all the connectors. So, say a little prayer for the connectors in your life. For the neutrals, so, marami kang neutrals na ko, Lord, marami akong natutulog na kayamanan, marami akong natutulog na oportunidad. I pray for all the neutrals in my life, they finally start being accelerators. For those who you consider and identified as drainers, say a little prayer and say, Father, may you bless them with opportunities in life that they will start performing as accelerators and bid goodbye being drainers. May they be able to contribute more than what they take more. That the seeds that are given to them, they will be a good steward. Para later on in life, they can. Okay? And for the meantime, allow me, ito yung prayer para sa sarili mo, allow me to put boundaries. Kasi it will take time for them to develop, it will take time for them to grow. In the meantime, say a little prayer that God helps you to put the right boundaries. Hindi po ito madali, isa po ito sa mga limitations ko sa buhay ko, kaya alam na alam ko po ito, kabisado ko po ito. If you are within my close circle, you know what I mean, alam po ninyo na isa ito sa mga bagay na over and over, God have to deal with me before breakthroughs happens in my life. And panglima, saboteurs. Ito yung sasabihin ko talaga sa inyo. Okay? Say a little prayer. Sabihin mo kay God, God, ikaw mag-show ng mercy. So, give mercy to these people, to the saboteurs, but really, please, get them out of my life. Diba? Lord, have mercy on these people, but not in my space. Sa iba, hindi din, Master, wala talaga. Hindi ko alam. Kaya nga si God na lang ang bahalang dalhin sila kung saan sila pwedeng matulungan, matrain, okay? But kung ready naman po itong mga saboteurs ninyo na magbago, help is available and Life Coach Philippines is ready to help you. And of course, you are welcome to visit us here at DCAP Coffee Republic. We're open from 3 a.m., okay, 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. every single day except on a Wednesday, because that's one thing that have changed in our life. After 8 years, we are now taking a break. Now, please remember that life is a season. Your life is full of seasons. You go through season, at yung mga tao po sa buhay ninyo, nagpapalit din yan according to seasons. Now, what is important is you learn how to do some housekeeping. So some people might be occupying a space in your life, energy in your space, but not helping you to grow and achieve the results that you want, and it's time for housekeeping. So my prayers for all of you is that your heart beats for you. Let me repeat that. My prayer is that your heart beats for you. I know, okay, we are well-meaning people. Okay, as we pray, we want to pray for other people. We want to bless other people. We want to take care of other people. We worry about other people. But at this moment in time, my prayer is that you take a look at you. Take care of you. Because when you're able to take care of you, definitely you will be able to take care of other people. Because in Life Coach Philippines International, we always say, you cannot give what you do not have. And so, you cannot serve from an empty cup. So, you have to be filled. And it's not selfish. So, if you need help, if you need coaching, this house offers you complimentary coaching services. But in case you are ready, okay, for those of you asking, magkano ba ang serbisyo? Okay, paulit-ulit yung tanong yan, how much? Okay, so here's the thing. we offer customizable, personalized coaching program. But what is a mainstay? We offer complimentary coaching sessions for those of you who are still navigating, okay, what kind of coaching you need, what kind of services you need. And for those of you who's ready, okay, maybe you've been to other professional services and you're ready to dive into a coaching session, but you're not ready yet to commit to a long-term, okay, program, you can come in and take our coaching clinic, which we offer at 2,500 per session. So that's about 90 minutes, okay? If you want to come in over, also we have in that library, in that part of our cafe, we have coaching cards, and that's ready, okay? And that's ready and available for use. You can use that for free. So I'm calling, if you are a life coach, you have been trained, you have been nurtured in other organizations, and you're needing more, okay? Please come over. Let's have a conversation. Our coaches in the house, our operators, okay? Everyone in the house are life coaches. They can help you navigate through your moving forward. So we are connectors and accelerators in the house. Now, if you are one person and your heart is beating for life coaching, okay, if this is one profession that you want to, you know, dive into, know more about, please connect with us, allow us to help you, allow us to walk you through, and the next certification class is happening on May. So when I come back, okay, I will announce the date, but right now you can save the date, okay? It's gonna be on May. So if you are one person and you're interested to be a professional certified life coach, please, okay, connect with us and we'll help you walk through the stages of becoming a professional certified life coach. This is Master Coach A. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Magandang umaga na ba? Maraming pong salamat. And I look forward seeing you at exactly 12 midnight. Okay, so, coaching for the soul. This is Master Coach A saying, love, bam, boom. Love, bam, boom. Love, bam, boom. We're signing off. Bye-bye. See you on the 24th.